Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with the automated cash app system. What's up guys, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you how actually to promote the cash app system to get you to start making instant $27 commissions. This is probably like my third video on this making money with cash app. It's a system called Automated Cash App System. I got it from a lady. She was promoting it on Facebook. So I checked it out and I was pleasantly surprised. It is a very simple system. All right. What it does is shows you how to make money from different apps and get paid through the Cash app. And you actually get paid $27 commissions and they come in instant. All right. So I still get questions about the system. I always get, is this real? Can you really make money with this? And absolutely. I'm not going to come on here, give access to myself if I'm promoting stuff that I know to be non-legit, right? Or stuff that I don't believe can work or have potential to work. But with this particular system, Automated Cash App, I've made money with it. Almost 200 bucks so far with this system, and it's very, very easy. So whenever you get the system, you get reseller rights. Okay, you're allowed to sell the system for $27 and earn 100% commissions. You pay 27, but then you actually have the ability to start instantly earning $27 commissions, unlimited. You know, you could just get as many as you want, right? But the cool thing is also inside the system, they show you how to make money using other apps. So really, when you pay the $27, you can actually go in and make way more than $27 before you even promote the automated cash system. So you're actually making money. You know what I mean? It's very, very easy, and you'll see once you get inside. But a lot of people ask me, like, all right, well, how do you make money with the system? I just want to make the $27 commissions. Oh, my headphones falling. I just want to make the instant commissions. All right. So once you get your reseller rights to the system, which all it is once you order it, you get access to a back office. You get a link, a login link. You scroll down and you will actually see where it says something to the effect of get your reseller link or promote, the automated cash system. You'll get your own referral link. All right. Once you get that link, you're good to go. All right. All you need to do is promote it. Now, the system teaches you how to promote it, but I'm going to share with you the best way to do it, and it is using Facebook. All right. What you want to do is just make posts, about 2 to 3 posts a day, talking about this new system that you just got. Okay. You could even start with like people you know. You can private message people you know. Don't random people I want private message, but just people you know, like friends of yours, and say, hey, check out this cool system. It's only 27 bucks, blah, 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 right? But you actually want to post and not too like spammy or promotional, but just make a couple posts a day. The first post should be like a motivational post, right, in the morning. The second post you want to post is something that you like, activity, doing something with your life and your family. Show people that you're real. Show people that that you have other interests, whatever. And then your third post should be based around that automated cash system that you just got. And the actual system shows you exactly the post that you should make. All right, the most effective post, right? But another thing you can do, guys, because it's $27 instant commissions. Get a flyer made. You can get a cheap domain name from GoDaddy and get something like earnmoneywithcashapp.info or something to that effect. Come up with a cool, catchy domain name. You can get them for as cheap as $1.99 if you get a .info, or $9.99, because it'd be well worth it. Get some flyers made, guys, and you could put these flyers on billboards or leave them in different locations, because once people see the actual like sales page and everything, it's pretty good and it's pretty enticing. So that's another way that you can start making $27 instant commissions. But I would start with Facebook. Do the post that I just said. Make a motivational post in the morning, make a personal post in the afternoon, or showing your lifestyle. And then the third post, make it something about, the automated, who wants to start earning $27 commissions. All right. Now, after you make these posts, never post your link, your referral link on your Facebook wall or whatever. You want people to ask you. You want people to say, and you'll see this in the course, but you want people to ask you for the link. And you only really post your link when you're private messaging somebody who show interest in the automated cash system. All right. Trust me, this works. You will get people interested. And obviously you can make YouTube videos and promote it just like I do. But just getting started, most people got Facebook. Most people comfortable with Facebook. So that's what you need to do. Start there. But if you want to check out the system and get going right now, link in the description of this video. I broke it all down to you guys. It's very easy, very simple. And one more thing, you could take this to another level. I just promote it and get $27 commission. That's what I've been doing. But once you get inside, you'll realize that you could take it to another level. You could take it to a whole nother level if you want to. All right, but it's on you. All right, so check that out. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the third question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.